Stay updated with the latest developments in the Forex market. Here's the most recent news from RobotFX. France's H-Hub manufacturing PMI slipped to 50.1 in February 2026 from 15.2 in January, though it was revised up from the initial flash estimate of 49.9. The latest reading points to broad stagnation in the sector. Factory output continued to grow, but at a slightly slower pace than in January, while new orders declined marginally amid softer domestic and external demands. Stocks of finished goods increased for the first time since July of last year, reflecting the combination of higher output and weaker order inflows. In contrast, pre-production inventories were broadly unchanged as manufacturers kept purchasing activity lean. Employment in the sector fell for the first time in 3 months, with reports of cuts to permanent staff. On the cost front, input prices rose at the fastest pace in 6 months, leading firms to raise their output prices at the steepest rate in a year and a half. Despite the slowdown in orders, manufacturers remained optimistic about growth prospects over the coming 12 months, supported by solid sales pipelines and generally positive demand expectations. Reduce lag and improve accuracy with the non-lag MA expert advisor for MT4 and T5s. Discoveries. The material has been provided by RobotFX.org. Boost your trading with advanced tools from RobotFX. Visit www.robotfx.org for expert advisors and indicators.